5 things that you definitely need to know about the 4th generation Audi S3. On the outside we see that the 4th generation Audi S3 certainly made an evolution. So has the grille frame completely been changed from the recognizable Audi S vertical lines to the honeycombed grille that we also see in Audi RS models. The new S3 is fitted with matrix LED lights. Their digital daytime running lights consist of a pixel array made up of 15 LED segments, 10 of which form 2 vertical lines. At the rear end, the large diffuser and the bigger 4 exhaust tailpipes accentuate the sporty look of the upgraded S3. The 4th generation Audi S3 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that generates 310 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed S-tronic transmission, which delivers responsive and smooth shifts. The Audi S3 is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km an hour in just 4.8 seconds. On the inside we see that Audi made a lot of changes compared to the 3rd generation Audi S3. It is immediately noticeable that the center console has made a drastic transformation with more advanced technologies. So comes the S3 with a new MMI 10.1-inch touchscreen display, a new designed air conditioning system, a touch-operated sound system, and a fully new designed gear shifter. Where the characteristic round air vents used to be seen, Audi has adapted this in a new facelift model to the current design with clean lights. The Audi S3 comes with a variety of technologies that are standard or optional, such as the Audi Virtual Cockpit, Audi Head-Up Display, Adaptive Cruise Control, Audi Lane Assist, Audi Park Assist, High Beam Assist, Front and Rear Impact Warnings, and many more. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know your thoughts about the 4th generation Audi S3 and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.